Hey guys, I just wanted to show you my little Stirling engine I bought. It's like a $40 thing I got off of Amazon. Got one piston going horizontally over there, and then there's another one at the bottom here, going up and down. And there's this little fuel lamp, has a magnet at the bottom. I filled it with like, I don't know, it's like 91% rubbing alcohol. You can find it in any supermarket under the first aid aisle. So yeah, let's fire this up. You just grab a lighter. Like that. Let's let the air heat up in here, and then let's give it a little kickstart. See if we can get this thing going. Let's see. Maybe it might. Almost there. There it is. This will get faster as it heats up more. Eventually slow down once you blow the flame out and stop. Yeah, so it's a cool little thing. You can get it to go pretty fast if you use the right fuel. Again, I'm using like a 91% isopropyl alcohol. You can really use any rubbing alcohol. That's how you can get the nice hot flame to heat this tube up here. But yeah, it's a very cool little machine.